Hello Japan. I'm here in America, having just attended the first American 0 equals infinity equals 1 seminar, and I just want to share how excited I am about this message. I really see it as a key that is going to help us integrate and unite so many different fields in philosophy and humanity, in society. From what I understand, you have uncovered something that physicists have failed to find, something that spiritual teachers can only point towards, something that mathematicians know that they cannot discover, and it is the ultimate truth, and so beautifully stated. And what excites me, many things excite me, what excites me is the language used is global. We can understand this all around the world, and this is something that we need to understand right now, to live as one, to live as connected, as unseparated, which is sort of the essence of what this truth alludes to. I've known for some time there is so much more than my limited mind can perceive, and here is a language that I can share with others, and really connect in a new, more dynamic, more vibrant, more humane way. I'm excited to work with you as we discover how to bring this into the Western language, and I feel so grateful for having connected with you, and these beautiful Japanese concepts. Ma is one of my favorite right now, that has just explained something that is not accessible through the Western language or Western philosophy. So yeah, just congratulations for all this amazing work I'm sure you've all helped with to translate this work, and to bring it to America. We're ready for it. We're excited for this, and as you know, we're in this with you. So just amazing seminar. I'm so honored to be part of this emergence of this wisdom into America. So thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.